You find them in a variety of places, usually anything from a small cafe right through to backups for bars, for bistro areas, that sort of area. As with all the Hobart, they specialise in reducing the water consumption. By reducing water consumption, you also reduce the amount of electric you use to heat that water and the amount of detergent you use. Very efficient and used in all sorts of areas, especially high volume areas. Obviously fairly compact, so can go under a small bench, etc. So very efficient. From 90 seconds, 180, we do a specialist cycle at 360, and we do a continuous, which you may use if you've got heavy soiled items. You can stop at any time at continuous and then put it back through a normal process. So there's a variety on wash cycles.